Hi, today I'm for CAT S53 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first we should open the control panel and just find here screen record icon. Hold it for a while and now before starting your screen recording, you'll see here record audio switcher. Just when the switcher is turned off, this means that you'll record the mute videos. When you turn on the switcher, you should select one from these available options to use, for example, the microphone to command something, or to use just device audio like some medias like music, calls, and also you could use the device audio and microphone together. So after that you could start your screen recording. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.